Welcome to the world of Eve Pacific. I'm Noble Woods, your partner in evolution. Stop what you're doing right now. If you're Gen X and you're not learning AI, you're about to become obsolete in less than 18 months. I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to save your career. You survived Y2K. You adapted to the internet revolution. You mastered smartphones when everyone said you couldn't. But this time is different. AI isn't just another tech trend. It's the biggest career disruption since the Industrial Revolution, and it's happening right now. Here's what nobody's telling you. While everyone's focused on Gen Z and AI, companies are quietly replacing Gen X workers with AI tools that cost pennies on the dollar. Last month alone, 40% of companies admitted they're planning to reduce their workforce where AI can automate tasks. And guess who's first on the chopping block? Middle management, senior positions. The exact roles Gen X fought decades to achieve. But here's the plot twist. Gen X is the generation best positioned to dominate the AI revolution. You know why? Because you have something no other generation has. Experience plus adaptability. You've already reinvented yourself multiple times. You went from typewriters to computers, from landlines to smartphones, from filing cabinets to cloud storage. You're the bridge generation, and that makes you incredibly valuable if you play this right. Let me share something that'll blow your mind. The average Gen X professional who upskills in AI sees a 37% salary increase within 6 months. 6 months. When was the last time you got a 37% raise? Companies are desperate for experienced professionals who understand AI. They don't want 20-somethings who know AI but have zero business experience. They want you, but only if you speak the language of AI. Here's your fast-track roadmap to AI mastery in 90 days or less. Day 1 through 30, master the fundamentals. Start with ChatGPT, not just playing around with it, but really understanding prompt engineering. Learn how to make AI do exactly what you want. Spend 1 hour every morning before work experimenting with different prompts. Use it to write emails, create presentations, and analyze data. Make it your secret weapon that nobody knows you're using. Day 31 through 60, specialize in your industry's AI tools. If you're in marketing, master tools like Copy AI and Jasper. If you're in finance, dive into AI-powered analytics platforms. If you're in operations, learn automation tools like Zapier and Make. The key is to pick 3 tools, maximum, and become an expert. Don't try to learn everything. Depth beats breadth every single time. Days 61 through 90. Become the AI champion at your company. Start small. Automate one process that saves your team 2 hours a week. Document it. Share it. Show the ROI, then do it again. Within 3 months, you'll be known as the AI expert, not despite your age, but because of it. You understand both the technology and the business context that makes it valuable. Let me tell you about Sarah, a 52-year-old marketing director with 15 years of experience. 6 months ago, she thought AI would replace her. Today, she's the chief AI officer at a Fortune 500 company, making 3 times what she made before. How? She spent 90 days learning AI, then used it to transform her entire department's productivity by 70%. The CEO noticed. The board noticed. Now she's untouchable. Or take Mike, 48, an accountant, thought his job was safe. Wrong. His company started using AI for basic bookkeeping. Instead of panicking, he learned how to manage and optimize those AI systems. Now he manages AI tools that do the work of 20 accountants. And his salary doubled because he's the only one who understands both accounting and AI. Here's the uncomfortable truth. If you're Gen X and you're not actively learning AI right now, you're essentially planning your career funeral. Harsh? Maybe? True? Absolutely. Within 2 years, every single job will require AI literacy. Not some jobs. Every job. From lawyers to doctors, from teachers to engineers. If you can't work with AI, you can't work. But here's what excites me about Gen X and AI. You're the generation that can build the ethical, practical, human-centered AI implementations that companies desperately need. Gen Z might be digital natives, but you're wisdom natives. You've seen enough corporate disasters to know what not to do. You understand nuance, context, and consequences in ways younger generations simply can't yet. Let's talk about the skills that matter most. First, prompt engineering. This is essentially about knowing how to interact with AI to achieve the best results. It's not coding, it's not programming, it's communication, and GenX invented modern business communication. You already have this skill. You need to apply it to AI. Second, AI workflow integration. You know those complex business processes you've been managing for years? AI can automate 70% of them. However, someone needs to determine which 70% and how to implement it without causing disruptions. That's you. That's your superpower. Third, AI ethics and governance. Companies are terrified of AI gone wrong. They need experienced professionals who can identify potential problems before they occur. Who better than the generation that's seen every type of business mistake possible? Your skepticism isn't a weakness. It's exactly what companies need. Fourth, human-AI collaboration. The future isn't AI replacing humans. It's humans working with AI to achieve impossible results. And collaboration? That's what GenX has been doing your entire career. You built the modern collaborative workplace. Now you get to rebuild it with AI. Here's your action plan starting today. Right now, after this video ends, go to ChatGPT and create an account if you haven't already. Give it this exact prompt. Help me identify 3 ways AI could improve my job as and insert your job title. Then pick one of those ways and spend 30 minutes implementing it. That's it. 30 minutes. You'll be amazed at what happens. Tomorrow, join an AI-focused LinkedIn group in your industry, not to lurk, but to actively participate. Ask questions. Share what you're learning. Build your AI network. Within a week, you'll be having conversations that position you as forward-thinking and innovative. This weekend, pick one AI course, not 10 courses. 1. Coursera, LinkedIn Learning, YouTube University, I don't care where. But pick one and commit to finishing it in 30 days. 1 hour a day. That's all it takes to transform your career trajectory completely. Next week, schedule a meeting with your boss. Tell them you're learning AI to help the company stay competitive. Ask what AI initiatives they're considering. Volunteer to lead a pilot project, even if it's small, especially if it's small. Small wins build momentum. Within 30 days, you'll be the go-to person for AI questions. Within 60 days, you'll be implementing AI solutions. Within 90 days, you'll be indispensable. While your peers are worrying about being replaced, you'll be the one doing the replacing, with AI as your tool, not your replacement. Let me destroy some myths that are holding you back. Myth 1. AI is too technical for me. Wrong. If you can use Google, you can use AI. It's literally designed to understand human language. Myth 2. It's too late for me to learn. Wrong again. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. Myth 3. Younger people will always be better at this. Absolutely wrong. They might adopt it faster, but you'll apply it better. Experience plus AI beats youth plus AI every single time. Here's what's really at stake. This isn't just about keeping your job. It's about the next 20 years of your career. Gen X, you're not ready to retire. You've got decades of productivity left. But those decades can either be a slow decline into irrelevance or a rocket ship to the most exciting phase of your career. The choice is yours. Companies are spending $13 billion on AI transformation this year. $13 billion. And they need experienced professionals to manage it. The opportunity is massive, but the window is closing. Every day you wait, 1,000 other Gen Xers are getting ahead of you. Every week you delay, the gap gets wider. Every month you procrastinate, the mountain gets steeper. But you're Gen X. You're the generation that doesn't quit. You're the generation that adapts. You're the generation that gets things done without complaining about it. This is your moment. This is your chance to prove that combining experience with innovation makes for an unstoppable force. The future of work isn't about AI replacing humans. It's about humans who use AI replacing humans who don't. And right now, you get to choose which group you're in. The clock is ticking. Your career is waiting. Your future is calling. Don't let fear win. Don't let uncertainty paralyze you. Don't become another casualty of technological disruption. You've survived every economic downturn. Every technological shift, every corporate restructuring, this is just another challenge, and you're built for challenges. Start today. Start now. Start imperfect. The path to AI mastery isn't about being perfect. It's about being persistent. One prompt at a time. One tool at a time. One win at a time. Before you know it, you'll be the AI expert everyone turns to, and your career will be more secure than ever. The AI revolution is here. You can either be part of it or be replaced by it. I know which one you'll choose because you're Gen X, and Gen X doesn't go down without a fight. You're going to master AI, secure your future, and show everyone that experience and wisdom combined with cutting-edge technology is the ultimate competitive advantage. Your AI transformation starts now. Like this video if you're ready to secure your future. Share it with every Gen Xer who needs to hear this message. And subscribe to this channel because I'm going to be dropping AI mastery content specifically for experienced professionals every single week. Ready to take your AI journey to the next level? Visit evepacificmedia.com right now for a free consultation on AI automation that's specifically designed for experienced professionals like you. We'll show you exactly how to implement AI in your role, your industry, and your company. Don't wait. Your future is calling, and it speaks AI. Hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell, and comment below with your biggest AI question. I read every single comment, and I'll answer yours in the next video. This is your moment, Gen X. Let's secure your future together, starting right now.